In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Tasks. If you rely on Google Tasks to organize your day, it's a smart move to keep a copy of your data in case you need it later. The safest and only official way to do that is through Google Takeout, and I'll walk you through it clearly, then show you a quick manual option for simple snapshots. Start by going to Google Takeout at takeout.google.com. When the page loads, click Deselect All so you're not exporting everything in your account. Scroll down until you see Tasks and turn that on. This tells Google to prepare an export of your tasks data only. When you're ready, choose Next Step. Now you'll pick a few options for your export. For file type, zip is recommended because it's widely supported and easy to open on most computers. For delivery method, choose to receive a download link by email. This means you'll get a message when your archive is ready. Click Create Export, and Google will start preparing your backup. Depending on how much data you have, it may take a little time. When you get the email, open it and download your backup file. Store it somewhere safe, like a dedicated backups folder or an external drive, so it's easy to find later. Your export will include the essentials: task titles, due dates, whether a task is completed, and timestamps and details. The data is provided in a structured format inside the zip, which is great for record keeping or moving your information to another tool that supports imports. Keep in mind, this is a snapshot at the time of export, not a live sync. If you just need a quick, lightweight backup, there's a manual method. Open Google Tasks, select your tasks, then copy them using Ctrl+A, followed by Ctrl+C. Paste that list into Google Docs or Google Sheets so you have a readable record. This is handy for simple archiving or sharing, but it isn't automatic and won't carry over all metadata in a structured way. A few important notes before we wrap up. Google Tasks doesn't have a built-in backup button, so exporting is how you create a backup. Your tasks do sync automatically across devices when you're signed in to the same Google account, but syncing is not the same as backing up. If backups matter to you, set a reminder to repeat the export process periodically, and keep the zip file in a secure location. That's it. Now you know how to back up Google Tasks with confidence.